In this video, I'll show you how to buy Amazon return items at much lower prices. These include like new, used, or open box products that customers have sent back, often still in great condition and sold at a big discount. Let's get started. First, head over to Amazon by opening your browser and going to the website. Once you're on the homepage, click the Sign In button in the top right corner and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create it by following the on-screen steps. After signing in, return to the homepage and look for the All menu in the top left corner. It may appear as three horizontal lines. Click it to open the sidebar menu. Scroll down until you reach the Programs and Features section. Then click See All to expand more options. From there, find and select Amazon Outlet. Inside Amazon Outlet, look for the Amazon Resale section and click on it. This is where you'll find returned items at discounted prices. These products are usually categorized by condition, such as like new, very good, or acceptable, and Amazon often inspects them before listing. As you browse, make sure to read the condition details carefully. These descriptions help you understand exactly what you're getting, so you can decide whether the deal is worth it. Once you find something you like at a good price, go ahead and place your order. Take a moment to compare options and ensure you're getting the best value. And that's it! You now know how to find and buy discounted return items on Amazon. It's a great way to save money on everything from electronics to home essentials. Stay tuned for more simple tips to help you shop smarter online.